We at HZPC produce varieties for clients in the potato world. We decided to join the workshop Mathematics with Industry because we were very curious if mathematicians could bring new insights and solutions for our questions. So this was our question. Given a number of potato samples, how many fries can you cut out of those tubers and what is the amount of waste?
We created an algorithm that would use the data that were obtained by HZPC on a sample of potatoes from a certain harvest. The data were from the laser scanner. They gave us an approximate shape information that we put in the computer, and we created a finite element method that would cut potatoes into fries of different diameter virtually and compute the amount of the distribution of lengths, the average size of these fries, and that would help farmers to make a decision.
What came out of the collaboration is a model that could really predict the number of fries you can cut from tubers. We called it the finite fry model as a joke, but it's practically used in our company since then, successfully. Moreover, it also gave new discussions and new project ideas. And what happened is that the mathematicians of the department really liked our economic questions. And we have now several collaborations that are quite successful. And so it's a clear win-win situation to collaborate with that department.
HZPC was very happy with what we did during the study group for mathematics with industry, and we have been working together since that. We had bachelor students, master students working on a project for HZPC.
I'm Elisa Atza. I'm doing my PhD at TU Delft in mathematical data analysis, working with HZPC to help them infer information about the vitality of the seeds from pictures at the moment.